Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to interpret and create compact schedules, which are the most powerful and flexible way to define time variable elements in your model. The previous tutorial introduced the timing, schedule, and profile options available in Designbuilder. Schedules are the default timing option, but you can change that in model options.
You can access the full tutorial from Designbuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on Designbuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate Designbuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.